What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Demarko, and I'm not fading nobody here, unfortunately, but I do want to show you guys how my wife and I transformed our daughter's room from looking basic, as you can see right now, into something that's extremely beautiful, man. I'm happy how it turned out, but as you can see, it's basic, and we turn it into this. My wife is a freaking Pinterest guru. I'm just the muscle, she's the brain. But yeah, let's get straight to it. You can see me going straight across with the level, making sure that line is straight because that wall is slanted at the top. But you want to make sure you tape all the edges and make sure there's no way for paint to seep through onto another side of the wall. As you can see, my edges are secure, and we're going to move to the next step. Be sure to cover your wall plates. Don't try to paint around them, man. I've made that mistake and ruined some wall plates. But yeah, just unscrew them, tape over the actual sockets, and you should be good. All right, the next thing we did was we made a lot of, I guess, obtuse and acute triangles. There's no rhyme or reason or pattern. I mean, my wife, she has an eye for stuff. She just kind of told me where to put stuff. Just make sure when you do the triangles, you press down on one end, and then you go to the other end and press down, and then just spread it out in between so that it's a legit straight line and it's not curvy or anything like that. But man, we love doing stuff like this, man. This is great relationship, marriage building exercise here, man. We enjoy it. But all right, so you see it's kind of getting to it, and this is the finished product. As you can see, we got some blue tape in there because we ran out of frog tape, but it's all good. So we used an app called PicArt, and we just kind of screenshotted and showed you what we did. We pretty much predetermined where we wanted to put the colors, and it allowed us to kind of just go through and slap some paint on the actual triangles beforehand so that we can just go in and get to it once we got the paint down. And as you can see, we just paint away. Here's the fun part. Just don't think at all. Just match the colors and we're finally done. Alright, put a couple of coats on, then wait and let it dry. Alright, and now as we begin to pull the tape off, we realize that there's some parts on the wall that bled through and the lines weren't as crisp. And I'll just give you guys a tip. We actually taped the triangles a day before we actually started painting, so we should have went back, like as you can see here, it bled through. We should have went back and pressed down on the tape so that the lines can be distinct. Instead, it's kind of choppy, like right there again, and it kind of bled through, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how we can fix it. I'm pretty sure my wife's the one that made the mistakes, but don't tell her I said that. She clearly gonna watch this. But yeah, here's how you can fix it. So you just take a sponge brush and literally tap firmly. Now this video is sped up. I have a very steady hand, being that I cut hair. I'm very artistic with my hands. It's very steady. So,
boy, if you don't get,
just make sure you get a sponge brush. Stay along the lines and just press. Pretty much tap and slide, and you'll make those bleed through straight and crispy. Alright, and we got this crib off Walmart.com for about, I think it was like $119. So we put this together. We got the same one for our son. His is like a dark Cherokee wood or walnut wood or something like that. But easy, simple assemble. Alright, so we wanted to paint this dresser. Oh, what up, Jace? Son trying to come help me out. My boy love being outside. But yeah, we want to paint the dresser. We didn't want to sand it. We wanted to do a uh pink drawers, all white dresser, and like a gray face. So we have to sand it down. And you got to wipe some TSP solution on it, which is what I'm doing now. Make sure that the paint will stick and just to completely clean the wood. But make sure if you sand, use proper safety material. As you can see, I'm painting the dresser white. My wife's painting the drawers pink. And this is the finished product. Doesn't that look amazing, man? That thing nice. We went ahead and did the changing station the same way as well. Came out looking good. And we did the chest, but we spray painted this white. We didn't paint it. We actually spray painted it. And this is the end product of the room. A lot of stuff we bought, like that dresser, the white little small dresser, we bought that off of OfferUp. My wife got a lot of stuff online. It's like she got the name, the journey name. I think she got that off Etsy or whatever it's called. All that stuff she got Hobby Lobby, OfferUp, or whoever. Got where she got the curtains and all that stuff from, and the pictures, kind of nice little collage. She did those herself at the top, and she just added a little sauce to it, added a little sauce to it. She got the little mat for the top of the chest, and she actually made that herself as well. I don't know how she did it, but she made that. Got the mirror. She did the tutu, did the tent, got the bed in there. My son likes to play on that bed. And it's got the little canopy, little setup going. Young Jace trying to take over as always. But man, we were extremely happy with the end product. I mean, it looks amazing. Can't wait to see Journey in this room. I'm sure it's gonna look totally different when she get to moving and walking and scribbling on the walls. But I mean, we just enjoy doing projects like this. The only thing I gotta do now is just put the fan in, install the fan. That's the last thing I gotta do, and we are done. That thing gonna be a beast putting that in. But yeah, here's the finished product, man. I thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and check out my son's room. We did a board and batten on his room. Make sure y'all check that out as well. God bless.